Today, we're stopping by Allie's Vegan Pizzeria and Cafe. This quaint Spokane spot is serving local vegans the comfort foods that can sometimes be hard to find.
Style of like really eat your heart out food that you're looking for.
Cheese breadsticks are probably my favorite thing on the planet, so I was very curious to try vegan ones, and they were delicious.
Things that you normally can't easily make vegan. I like seeing how they're doing it and how far we're coming along. It's very exciting.
We make pizzas, brunch, burgers, sandwiches, kind of basically comfort foods that are vegan, that are compelling and approachable.
What does it mean to be vegan?
In the case of a vegan diet, that means the food has no meat, no eggs, no cheese, no butter, and no honey.
Owner Tanya Gilmore left her corporate job in 2014 to pursue a dream of making a vegan lifestyle accessible and appealing to everyone.
And I wanted a place that vegans could bring their non-vegan friends and just have a good meal. It wasn't going to be a big deal or something difficult.
My fabulous friend came to visit from Seattle, and she is vegan, so we're always looking for fun places to go. I am not, but I love eating and adventuring with her because it's a great way to try new things.
To actually have all of these options, it's pretty cool.
Those yummy options are made possible by fresh and locally grown ingredients.
We use the best ingredients that we can. My farmer, she's going to be here tomorrow with a big load of veggies for me. She's 5 minutes away.